Making this video to help the other boaters who have the same problem like mine. This CMC unit, I believe it's PT130. It gave up finally. Long story short, this is the pump. The very first thing that gave up on this unit was the brushes. It started going slow and then completely stopped at some point. What I did, I replaced the brushes and the motor worked perfectly just fine until I made a mistake. Two mistakes. The first one, I did not put a fuse or over current disconnect, and the second mistake was I didn't put a rocker switch on this that goes to 0.0. What I mean is you have to put a switch for up and down that goes back momentarily to 0.0 to tilt up and down. I can explain that further in the comment if you need explanation, but I forgot the motor down for quite some time and it burned the coil. I did a little research and got the wire gauge of the coil, rewinded the coil, same direction, same amount of windings, but it didn't work. And the reason it didn't work was because when this heated up pretty bad, it warped and melted, and now the brushes are not aligning perfectly with the commutators. So I gave up on this project. Later did another research about an alternative pump, and I found out this Volvo Penta model something, I don't know what model is this. I bought it from DB Electrical website. It's dbelectrical.com, I believe, and it works perfectly fine. The only problem was it didn't fit. It didn't fit inside the unit. It didn't fit inside here. It was a little bit big. So all I did, I got the fittings, I got the hoses, the hoses I got them from a local supplier. There are 39 inches end to end. 39 inches end to end from where they connect to the hydraulic cylinder all the way to the pump, and it works just fine. I came from Mission Beach yesterday here in San Diego. I used it for around 4 hours of continuous usage and it worked. Your boat is going to be a little bit different, probably. You could put this anywhere you want. I don't prefer putting anything in the salt water, so the water gets up to here, and a couple of splashes, a little bit of salt here from yesterday, but I can live with that. This is, I don't know how long this is gonna work. I've never bought anything from this website, but it's working perfectly fine. So it's up to you. If you have a unit, again, if you have a unit that is like this, show you the ram cylinder,